In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Hotmail account if you're not receiving emails. It's a common problem that many users face, and I'm here to guide you through the steps to get your inbox back up and running smoothly. First, let's begin by ensuring you're logged into your Hotmail account. Head over to the Outlook login page on Microsoft 365. Once you're there, you'll need to click on the Sign In button. It's usually at the top right corner of the page and is your gateway to accessing your email. Enter your credentials and you'll soon find yourself looking at your Outlook homepage. Once you've logged in, the next step is to navigate to your account settings. This is an essential part of troubleshooting as it allows you to access various features and tools that might be impacting your email delivery. Go to the homepage of your Outlook account, look around the interface and you will see a settings icon, often depicted as a gear symbol. Click on it to open the settings menu. Now that you're in the settings menu, it's time to dig a bit deeper. Look for an option that says Account. Clicking on this will bring up several options related to your account management. Alongside settings for connecting other services, you'll also find tools that can assist in troubleshooting various issues you might be experiencing. While exploring this section, make sure everything seems in order and your account doesn't have any unusual restrictions. Next, you will see an option for storage. This feature provides insights into how much space your emails and attachments are taking up. It's essential because if your email storage is full, it can prevent new emails from coming through. Click on Storage, which will then guide you to another option, specifically titled Email Storage. By accessing this, you can assess how filled your inbox truly is. If storage is the issue, consider deleting some old emails or clearing out your spam folder to make room for new messages. With these steps, you should be well on the way to resolving issues with your Hotmail not receiving emails. Regularly checking these settings ensures your inbox runs smoothly and prevents potential problems from occurring in the future. In the world of email management, being proactive with your settings and storage can make all the difference. This brings us to the end of the guide. I hope you found these steps helpful and that your Hotmail inbox is now receiving emails as expected. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more solutions to your tech challenges. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.